By the way, in Peru, as now it's starting to get more into the BIM and understanding and utilizing the BIM, what do you see? What are the next big things in BIM adaptation in Peru?
Here in Peru or around the world?
In Peru, yeah.
I think the next big adaptation is going to be have almost all the companies with at least one professional specialized in BIM, more project with at least one model, a simple model with not a lot of level of detail. Maybe the next big thing, the big step is going to be enter to the maintenance,
Yeah, maintenance.
maintenance. Because here in Peru, anyone do that. I think that's going to be the next big step. We have one company that is trying to do that. They don't have too much support, but with all the things, with all the change that we are having in these last few years, maybe in a couple of years, the maintenance is going to be the next big step for us as country.
Yeah, that's really interesting. Like for us, at least in Finland as well, like the BIM adaptation has been very well utilized in all areas except the maintenance. The maintenance, we call it, it's like the black hole. No one touches it and no one knows anything about it. And
Well, and the next step is going to be implement big infrastructure here in Peru.